I'd like to call on my spirit council to please join me here in this time and space. Act A, Act A. Cleansing and clearing, sure to Act A. Helping me to find the messages that I most need to hear today for my highest good, harm, and none. Hang day away, now we. Ota bye. Hang away. What do I most need to hear today for my highest good, harm, and none? Acta. And as always, I thank you so much for your continued guidance, presence, and support in my life. Hinamani, wait, Abi, winning, Shatabi, oh no, and so it is. What do I most need to hear today for my highest good, harming none? The first thing that's happening is I'm seeing some light orbs as I close my eyes. And the first shape that I got was sort of the shape of an enema, like a molecular structure growing, evolving. Has branches and beads. I also saw a heart. Once again, only messages for the highest good are left in this time and space. Thank you. I hear breaking open, breaking through, breaking open. Been getting the message of molting the last couple days, specifically the crab, the spider, arthropods. Once again, only messages for the highest good are welcome in this time and space. Arthropods shed their exoskeletons frequently as they grow and evolve. They completely disregard the old the old housing. And when they first come out of the new when they first come out and are new, they're very vulnerable and exposed. We had kind of a mess happen here. The Nine of Cups. What do you really desire? Being aware of your true desires, your true wants, your true wishes. Wish away, dear one. We wish away, dear one. Hendai. Your wish is our command. We have plenty of cups for you. There's a table here. She's waiting for guests as well. There's ravens in the background, so there is some shadow aspect coming through here in terms of the first word that came to mind was potential trickery. Trickster energy. Raven is trickster energy. Raven is also magic and wonder, and I hear quote the Raven Nevermore by Edgar Allan Poe. He really knew how to dive into these darker aspects of the human experience and write about it in his poetry. Writing, dear one, writing poetry, writing cursive, I'm hearing as well. So using using the hands and the ink and the flow of thoughts form into physical manifestation to have these wishes be granted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ravens. 5 ravens. 9 of wands, 2 9s in a row. What are you carrying that isn't yours, dear one? Shy, wait, wing, wow. Your day, wait up a day, yon the gababa, yon the English, shy, wait, yon the wing. The Nine of Wands is all about the energy that we carry that causes us to feel heavy and burdened and overwhelmed. We get to a point where we realize that it is not all ours to carry and that we can't go forward with this heavy load anymore. And if we do, we end up in the Ten of Wands, which is really almost being this fully beaten down aspect. And it's all about the doing and the action and the energy that's being put outward. Where are you putting energy where it is not needed any longer, dear one? We have the Seven of Cups and the Devil here. What do you truly want, dear one? What do you truly want? And what desires are keeping you held and feeling trapped and overwhelmed and scared and unsupported? This sweet song, this sweet lullaby is not, it may be musical to the ears, it is not soothing to the soul. While it may be musical to the ears, it is not soothing to the soul. What is the song that your soul has been listening to that is not soothing to the soul? Change the station, dear one. Turn the dial, turn the dial, turn the dial to a new station and listen to a new frequency and vibration. There's so many different wavelengths that we can tune into, and we must be able to hold the frequency and vibration of that which we truly desire and that which we truly wish for. Being able to let go of what is no longer serving us, dear one. Any other messages that need to come through in this time and space? Once again, only messages for the highest good aid we are welcome in this time and space. Songbird, listen to the songbird, listen to the songbird. You are not a caged bird, dear one. Thank you.